hospitals on different days. So a doctor can work at Alimosho General Hospital on Monday and work at Bagada General Hospital on Tuesday and so on. So on Prescriber, you can choose the hospitals you want to be linked with and work with. Just click on hospitals. So it brings out a list of approved hospitals on Prescriber, and you search for the hospital you want to work with. You click on send a request. So the hospital gets an email that so and so doctor wants to work with them on Prescriber, and they have the right to accept or decline. So it will be stated here that you're pending that hospital's approval until the hospital grants you approval, and you get an email when the hospital grants approval. So you can choose your timing when you want to be able to see patients on Prescriber, probably your free time. So you click on add timing. You choose a default duration. That's if you're chatting with or you're consulting with a patient, you want that consultation to last, let's say, 45 minutes. It updates that you have saved your timing or standard duration for 45 minutes. So to edit the timing, you click on action. You pick a day. We're saying Monday. So you can work either as a clinic, that's individually, or under a hospital. So you pick the hospital. You set a time you want to be able to chat. Let's say 7 a.m. to 7:30. And your second session, let's say 8:30 to 9. So you click submit, and it is added to the time you are free for patients to be able to chat with you. To delete it, you simply click on 0, and submit, and it's deleted. See, so nobody can message you at that time. Patients can book appointments with you on Prescriber. That means maybe you probably chatted with a patient and you feel this patient needs to come to see you in a hospital for you to properly diagnose what's wrong with the patient. So you can view your appointments. Just click on the appointment button, and let's say you've dealt with the appointment and you want to save it. You don't delete appointments. You want to save it or archive it for future references. You click on archive. The button will be here, and the appointment goes to archived appointments. So you can always come back to view the appointment just for record purposes. On Prescriber, you can choose to chat with patients for free, or you can choose to chat with them for a fee. So you click on chat fee. It's solely your decision. After our pilot here, we will choose to collect a fee from you. That's a percentage of the fee the patients pay you to chat with them. So if you chat with them for free, we don't take any percentage for you. So we're saying we want our patients to pay 1,000 naira before they chat with us. The fee has successfully been updated. So for further questions, further inquiries, you can either reply the email or you can call any of the contact numbers at the end of the email. And we're so glad to help you. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Stay safe.